postcard.
Hmm?
Okay, postcard for you.
What is a postcard for me? What are you playing with?
Hi.
Toy.
Here, I'm sad.
Why? What's wrong?
I'm sad.
Don't be sad, my love. I'm very happy kasi na-solve na yung mga problema ko. Hi guys, good afternoon. Welcome back to our channel. Happy Sunday everyone. Kung mapapansin nyo ay nakalistik si ate nyo. Ayan. Nakalistik at nakamook up kasi may lakad tayo guys. We are now going to the city. It's currently, ayan, mag-aalauna na siya ng hapon guys. And Paris and I, come on up. Pupunta kami ng city. Say morning, ay hindi pala morning. Good afternoon everyone. Afternoon. Kasi guys, si Daddy Mike ay nandun na pala sa city. So earlier today, sobrang early talaga. So Daddy Mike went there for a walk and run. So, oh my God, I can't believe Daddy Mike guys. So I think it is 25 kilometers from here to the city guys, and Daddy run it. Alam niyo naman si Daddy, he's really into fitness, and especially now na open na yung Melbourne ulit. Parang nabibigyan siya ng ano, ang tawag ito, motivation para ano, you know, living healthy again. Ganun. So, yun guys, nag-send si Daddy Mike sa akin ng ano, screenshot ng anong tawag nito. Pinapakita kung gaano katagal yung ano niya, yung pagtakbo at paglakad niya doon guys. And it shows it's nearly 3 hours guys. 3 hours na tumatakbo siya or walk a little bit. Sobrang saludo talaga ako kay Daddy Mike guys sa kanyang dedication and yung discipline niya talaga sa sarili niya. Very, very admirable. So, this is our outfit of the day. Ayan. So, naka-t-shirt lang tayo and then yung ating backpack shorts. Ayan. So, paano ko sana guys na mag-leggings ako? Kasi akala ko maginaw sa labas. Pero si Daddy Mike sabi niya, no, I'm wearing shorts now and I am sweating. Kaya yun, sabi niya, no, just wear ano pang, ano daw, ang tawag dito? Pang summer daw kasi hindi daw talaga maginaw sa labas. We went outside na pala, hindi talaga siya maginaw. So, ayan, nag-change ako ng shorts. And then, I've got this kasi maglakad-lakad kami, guys. So, we have to make sure na we are comfortable. Kasi, puno na yung paa ko ng, ano guys, anong tawag ito? Yung blisters ba? Kasi yung espadrilles yung ginagamit ko kapag naglalakad kami. And, yeah, it's not comfortable at all. Ayan, tapos tong maliit natin na bag. And then, Paris. Siya nanak, babe. Paris is wearing this pink dress. Ayan. Na sobrang tagal na sa kanya, guys. And kasya pa rin sa kanya. Kaya, pinasuot ko na. Maybe last time na to na isuot niya, guys. Kasi, medyo tight na siya. Pero, ayan, okay pa naman. Oh, do you like your dress, na?
I like that.
Yan sana yung ipapasuot ko sa kanya, guys. Ito, sa background. Pero sabi ni Daddy Mike, no, get her to wear dress. It's warm. Kaya
Mommy!
yun. Yes, honey. What's that?
It's also for me.
No, that's for Mama. Open bay. That's Mama's glasses.
No, for me.
And yung susuotin pala ni Daddy Mike, guys, kasi yung, obviously, he was running going to the city before, so he's sweating and all. So, dadalhin ko yung mga damit ni Daddy Mike na susuotin niya. And you know naman na yung opisina ni Daddy Mike is nasa city, so makakapasok siya doon, pwede siyang mag-shower doon and everything. So, doon na siya magre-ready. Dadalhin lang namin yung mga kakailanganin niya. So, ayan. Let's go now, anak. So, ayan guys, alis na kami. Labas na kami ni Baby Paris kasi si Baby Paris ay hindi na makapag-antay. Careful, Nak. Wait for Mama. Mama will close the door first. See you, house! Alis muna kami. Hi! 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 Wait for Mommy. Ala, Nak, where's your water, Nak? Huh? Na sobrang maaraw talaga, guys. I wasn't expecting this kasi yung sabi, maximum 17 degrees, ha? It's in the car. Anak, careful, matagak. Come. Yeah. So yeah, it's maximum 17 degrees, pero no, not at all. I'm not complaining. Hala, Nak, why is it here, Nak? Tingnan nyo, nasa mailbox yung laruan ni Paris na. Oh, have a look.
It's mine.
Oh,
It's mine.
it's It's yours.
This one.
Did you put that there?
Yes.
Yes, when?
And that.
And, gonna get in the car now. Come on. Ayan, ala, sobrang ganda ng araw, guys. Is that yours?
My car.
There's a car coming.
Can we get that?
Who's that?
It's a postcard.
Huh?
We get a postcard for you.
What? There's a postcard for me? That's not the postman. Taka naman ka. Taka naman ka.
It's a truck.
Where are we going now?
It's a truck, Mommy.
It's a truck. And where are we going now?
On the car.
In the car to...
On the car shop.
We're going to the shop and see...
See Daddy.
See Daddy.
That's right.
Yeah, can you tell our friends, what did you have for breakfast today?
Ice cream.
Taka naman ka. Chocolate.
Croissant.
Croissant. Okay guys, time check tayo. It's now 10 past 1 o'clock ng hapon. And obviously, nandito na kami sa sasakyan. Ang kakalagay ko lang ng pera sa account ng ano guys. Kasi going to the city, we'll be using the freeway and kailangan mong magbayad. Kaya yun, nalagyan ko na. And you know what, the last time na ginamit ko yun guys, yung account na yun, yung para sa ano, yung toll, I don't know, maybe May this year guys. So ayun. Anyways, I don't know if napakita ko to kahapon guys sa inyo. Ito yung mask na binili ko from the Glen. And super cute niya guys. So, pink na my heart. It was only for $9 guys. So cheap. Guys, dito na kami sa city. Ayan. Kakapark lang talaga namin guys. Dito si Daddy Mike. And ayan na ang mga buildings. Hi Melbourne. It's been a while. Hi Daddy. How was your run?
Very long.
Very long.
23 kilometers.
23 kilometers. Did you run?
Run.
Paris, did you run too?
No.
No.
Get in the car.
We'll go get the pram. There's more cars now. Kaya, yun, medyo kinabahan sa atin yung, I think the last time na nag-drive ako dito sa city was, I don't know, 7 months or 8 months ago, just before the lockdown happened. So yeah, susuot ko na ang ating mask guys. Nandito pa kami sa ano, car park. Bababa pa kami. Dito na kami sa Melbourne Central, guys.
That's the next one up.
No, it's here. Si Daddy Mike pala magre-ready na. So, maliligo na siya sa office nila, guys. So, yung pupuntahan ko ngayon lang muna is yung ano, yung glasses shop, yung sa eyeglass ko ba?
It's not. Oh, the one you used to go to was up on the same level as JD.
Mama will get it tightened. Where's Daddy? You like it? Good girl. Hold it. Bumili kami ng waffles, guys, for baby Paris. Careful because it's hot, okay? Hinihintay namin si Daddy Mike kasi nag-ready pa, naliligo. Bumili din ako ng, guys, coconut macaron. Sobrang sarap. Yummy. You like it? Mama will have one. I like it. Buti na lang guys, hindi masyadong maraming tao, which is very nice. Ayan. Dito kami maghihintay kay Daddy Mike kasi yung phone niya ay mamamatay na yung battery. Para mahanap niya kami ng madali. What have you got there, Paris? What are you playing with?
Hi.
Toy.
Here.
Gosh, did Daddy buy that for you?
Yes.
Good girl. Are they open, Daddy?
Everything's closed
Ah.
except for
Here.
the frozen street.
Oh, really?
Open it.
Paupo kami dito, guys, kasi we thought they're open and Daddy wants to have lunch.
Well, we just got the frozen.
Please,
Do you want to
open it. Open it.
Get the
Please.
frozen.
Yummy na? Good job.
Hold on to the table.
Mama's holding it. What are you having there now?
That's not a tree. Huh?
Oh, your face? Wipe? Good girl. Good job. Give Mama one, be.
Okay.
One scoop, please. Thank you.
You're so generous.
Thank you, Paris. We're gonna go to Zara, guys. Habang nandito tayo sa city. Zara! Green! There's a ding ding. That's the bell. That's the bell. Sing.
Oh.
Oh, the king's horse is now the king's man. Bulingit na bata.
I'm very cold.
Yes. Ooh. What is
Did this one?
Is that Paris? Look at your face. Wow. Ooh, how much is it? Ooh.
Did this one?
1,500 na.
Mommy, did this one?
Hi guys, it's now 5 o'clock and yes, kakarating lang namin dito sa sasakyan guys, and it's very hot, very warm. Pinapakita lang ni Daddy Mike yung pinamili niya sa shops guys. Shorts, ito bagong cap, tingnan nyo. Oh. And then bumili din siya ng ayan, socks, orange and pink. And then, oh yeah guys, I'm very happy kasi na-solve na yung mga problema ko. Yung first talaga na reason guys kung bakit gusto kong pumunta dito sa city is my glasses. So yung palagi kong sinusuot na glasses guys, ayan. Very, ano na siya, anong tawag dito? Very, yung ruskan niya ba? Loose. Kaya ayan, so pinatighten ko siya guys. So ayan, that's one problem solved. And then, the second one is this one. Ayan. So, ang ating memory card, I've been having problems guys with the other one kasi palagi na siyang nafu-full. At every time na nagba-vlog ako, kailangan ko siyang i-transfer sa phone ko para malagyan ng space yung memory card. So, I decided na bumili na lang ng bagong memory card para naman anong tawag dito, hindi ako ma-pressure na kailangan kong i-move yung mga photos o yung mga videos from our camera to my phone. Kaya yun, bumili na lang ako ng extra. Alam nyo naman sa atin yung very hardworking pagdating sa vlogging. Marami tayong vlog. Kailangan ko lang talagang maghanap ng time for editing. Yun. So yan, that's problem solved. I'm very happy. Sobrang tagal ko nang iniisip talaga na magbili ng bagong memory card. And yan, I just bought the 64 gigabyte one, and I bought this one for $36 from JB Hi-Fi. Ayan. So yan, problem solved guys. Very happy about that. And then nung pabalik na kami dito sa sasakyan guys, nag-stop ako doon sa Taiwanese, yung pinakita ko kanina, Taiwanese street food. So I've got the very healthy chicken skin, and we've got some sweet potato chips. Ayan, sobrang sarap ito guys. Yung ating baby girl ay nasa likuran, nanonood ng nursery rhymes. Watching nursery rhymes. Tingnan nyo guys, so ang aking dito ba, very mapula. Kasi yung kawawa naman ang ating mask. Tingnan nyo, nag-lipstick. Ayan. Kaya nagpula-pula dito guys. Daddy, do you feel good running that far?
I feel so tired now.
Yeah, I could tell guys. Daddy Mike couldn't walk anymore. Like, gusto ko pang maglibot-libot sana, but Daddy Mike is very tired then. So we're just gonna go home guys kasi Monday na naman bukas. Work na naman tayo. But may nabili pala ako sa Calvin Klein guys. Oh. Ayan. Hindi maraming ha. Yung binili ko lang is yung mga undies guys. Ayan, papakita ko pa ba? Merong blue, orange, tsaka pink. Ayan, nakasale kasi from $15 each, 50% off. So I only paid $7.50 each. Yan. Yan lang yung napamili ko guys sa city. Pumunta ako ng Zara kanina pero sobrang daming gusto ko doon guys. Sobrang daming magandang mga damit doon. Pero I don't think I need them. I really love them. I want them, but I don't think I need them. Kaya I just left them. Wala akong binili guys. Nag-try lang ako. Just in case, I don't know, maybe I'll see online in, later time. Ganon. Then I know my sizings and all. But yeah, there's one blazer daddy at Zara that I really like. It's $200 and something guys.
Yeah.
The brown one that I tried before, it was so nice.
Yeah, and it's probably the wrong season.
Yeah. But yeah, I'm gonna be working from the office again soon, so I'm gonna...
Queensland. You ain't gonna be wearing no blazers.
Queensland. Ayun na naman si Daddy Mike sa Queensland guys. So.
What? I'm serious.
I'm gonna wear blazers, Bob, even if I work in Queensland office.
Good luck, it'll be sweaty. You gotta have baho kili-kili.
But yeah, alis na kami guys. It's now 5 o'clock talaga. Uwi na kami. And yeah, we'll see you when we get home. Hi guys! It's now 7 o'clock ng gabi. Dito na kami sa loob ng bahay. Ayan. Si Baby Paris pala natin kanina ay nakatulog sa sasakyan. So, hinintay ko siyang magising bago kami pumasok. Ayan. And she's having a snack. You okay, Anna? Huh? You okay?
Yes.
Yes. Good girl. And si Daddy Mike natin ay naliligo. Kung naririnig niyo ang ating shower. Tapos magre-ready na kami ng dinner very soon, guys. How are you, Nak? Are you good? Are you good? Yes? Say yes, Mommy? Yes, Mommy? Good girl. Did you enjoy the city? Yes? Oh, do you want to go back?
Okay.
Okay. Did you enjoy the waffle? Did you enjoy the waffle? Yummy, yummy waffle? Yes. How many waffle did you have?
I do.
One. How about the frozen yogurt? Yummy, yummy, wasn't it? Yes? Tired pa yan siya, guys. Tingnan nyo. Parang nakatulala pa. What are you watching now? Is that Bleepy? What's the sound of the ambulance?
It's a Nina.
Nino, Nino? How about the police car? How about the police car?
Nina, Nina.
Is it the same?
Yes.
Really? Oh, guys, meron palang dumating. Nung nasa labas kami, dumating ito, dineliver kahit Sunday. I-unbox natin yan siya maybe, sometime this week. But ano yan siya, guys? Padala yan sa atin, guys. O, diba? Bongga na sa atin yung nag-sponsor na. Pero tsaka na natin yan siya i-open, guys. Sometime this week. We'll open that one. Paris is having some snacks. And got water. Make sure you drink water too, okay?
My juice of water.
Just the water. Oh. Oh, the big girl naman kay kanak. Oy. Are you a big girl? Mama bite. So, yung dinner pala natin, guys, is itong salmon. Ayan. Kasi kailangan na talaga siyang lutuin. Baka matapo na naman. Ayan. Pero, si Daddy Mike ay magluluto niyan, guys. Kasi, kung matagal na kayong nagsubaybay dito sa channel natin, si Daddy Mike talaga, super love niya yung kitchen and gustong-gusto niya na siya yung magluluto. Kaya, it doesn't mean na hindi niya gusto yung luto ko, guys. He just owned the kitchen, guys. Gustong-gusto niya talagang magluto. Kaya, siya yung magluluto niyan. But for now, magluto din tayo ng corn, guys, para meron kay Paris. Because she likes that. And then, luto din tayo ng kanin, of course. Hindi mawawala ang ating kanin. Ayan, oh. Malapit na siyang maubos. Pero meron pa tayong isang sako dyan. Isang sakong 5 kilo. What's wrong, my love?
I'm sad.
You're sad? Ayan, ang ating baby girl. Sad daw siya. Come here, babe.
Indeed.
Can you tell mommy why you're sad? Why are you sad?
I'm sad.
Why? What's wrong?
I'm sad.
Don't be sad, my love. I want you to be happy.
Make it yourself.
Oh, okay. You do it yourself, the rice?
Okay.
Will you be happy then?
Okay.
Okay, alright. Mama let you do that kasi maging happy daw siya kapag siya yung nagsandok ng rice. Okay. Just one baso-baso, okay? There you go. Can you do it?
This one, that.
Oh, this one, that. Okay. You do it here. Oh, come on. Isang baso lang yung lutuin natin, guys, kasi nasasayang. Di, agoy! Ugma, patamang humanda ni Nay. Agoy, tanawa ra. But it makes her happy daw, kaya hayaan na natin. Wow! Good job! Finish? No, we need more than that, no? Okay, baby. Okay, kinahanglan naman po ni sa lumon atong butanganan sa bugas na ko. Make sure na butang sa baso na. There you go. More. Pun anak, pun ah. Pun na ba? Make it full. That, see? Good girl. Put in the baso-baso. There you go. Good job. You happy? Are you happy now? Paris, are you happy now?
Yes.
Good girl. How about we put water? You gonna help Mama put water too?
Okay.
Okay.
I do it.
You wanna do it yourself?
Okay.
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 Thank you for helping Mommy.
Baby one.
Okay, we'll put water. Ayun, gusto niya palang tumulong guys, kaya sad siya kanina. Guys, luto na ang ating dinner. Nakaluto na ang ating chef na fresh na fresh. It smells good. Itong chef. Ayan. So, ito na ang ating dinner, guys. So, meron akong rice, corn, and then the salmon. Specially cooked by Daddy Mike. At kay Daddy Mike, yung corn lang, guys. Walang rice. And then, we've got corn. We'll give this to Paris. And now we're gonna eat, guys. So, it's that time of the day, friends. It's now 9 o'clock ng gabi. And nandito na kami sa bed. Yan, si Baby Paris ay nakahilamos na, naka-toothbrush, and ready na siya for sleeping. Ayan, meron lang siyang konting story time, ganyan sa kanyang iPad, and then we'll go to sleep. But yeah, thank you very much for watching today's video. I hope that you enjoyed it. And before natin i-end pala, i-share ko sa inyo yung ating positive quote of the day, which is, "You do not find the happy life, you make it." And we'll just do a quick shout out, and the first shout out goes to Queen Survivor TV, Chari Salazar, and also shout out daw to all silay nun. Shout out to Glady Mandanhuyan with her husband Rito from North Cotabato. Shout out to Ivy Hausian from Bicol region. Kane Bernales, Emelita Menor, Lina Levares, Susing Sales. Shout out to Jeda Luis Magalo Kahara, Joanne Ambe, Annalisa Baal, Riz Channel, Aroma T, Viuli S, Luz Tiongson, Faith Canaleja, Claudine's Kitchen Claudine Reed, Yana Igbuhay, Mami Rose Sabalye, Madame Lydia Vlog, Fe Guarnes, Anita Valdez, Medine Maraon, and Joanne Owano. That's about it for today's video, guys. I hope that you enjoyed. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you like it. And also make sure that you hit the subscribe button to be a part of this family. And also, guys, since hindi ako everyday nakakapag-upload ngayon, I hope na i-hit nyo rin yung notification bell para hindi nyo ma-miss yung mga videos natin. I hope to see you all guys in the next one. Don't forget to be good, and if you can't,
Bye.
close.